Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Did you know that there are more than 3 billion active users on Facebook? I'm actually one of those. I'm on Facebook every day building my business, and you might be one of those active users on Facebook. Let me ask you this. Are you using Facebook as a toy, just liking and scrolling and commenting for no reason, just to pass time? Or are you using Facebook as a tool to help you generate leads for your business? Now, if you're a marketer and you're not on Facebook using it as a tool, shame on you, right? But if you are, then you're in the right place at the right time, because I want to share with you an exciting opportunity for you to actually leverage AI to tap into those billions and billions of users on Facebook who are looking for what you have to offer. Hey, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of 2 children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Because back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed, I was frustrated, I was confused. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family, or time to work on my side hustle. You name it, I've been there, done it, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, drop shipping. But it was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. And that's what brought me here to the stage where I'm always playing around, learning different ways to market easier without having to bother my family and friends, without having to slide into strangers' DMs. Okay, so I want to share with you, if you are a member of Live Good, Legacy Builder Program, 7K medals, and a few others, I want to share with you an opportunity to leverage Facebook marketing by using AI chatbots, to have your chatbots out there done for you, custom made chatbots that are out there working for you 24/7, so you can get to spend your time doing the things that you love. So let me go ahead and share my screen really quick here to give you an idea of what it is I'm talking about. Okay. So this is our marketplace. So if you're with 7K medals, it's as simple as when you do get the bots, as getting this activation code, and within 10 minutes, you will have the 7K medals chatbot. I wanted to make this bigger. You'll have the 7K chatbot ready to go, right? Same goes to all these here. We have different activation codes. We have Legacy Builder Program. We have Live Good, Nexus Rewards, Now Site, Planet Marketing, Social Boosters, and loads more to come, right? These have been done for you, complete with webinars and referral links. You just put your referral link, obviously, to make it your own. You just follow, copy and paste, right, to make it your own. And by the end of 10 minutes, if your company is not there, it will take about an hour to set this up. But what this means is you can have, when somebody asks you for more information about your business, which is what I always did, I always send them a link to my funnel, right? But Messenger has a higher open rate, and you can have a chatbot that's out there delivering the information, and actually not only delivering the information, but sending webinars, and just slowly walking your audience, your target, your prospects through a step-by-step sales process that was set up for you from the powers that be, if you have the custom made one, right? And it even follows up with them, so it's a lot easier for people to communicate with you in Messenger, and it has a higher open rate, right? So the best way for you to build your business is still email marketing, is still the way to go. But if you can combine email marketing and chatbot as well, you do different things, that's going to double or triple your leads generation and your sales, right? So I'm so excited to have come across this. It's just literally in the launch phase. So I want to invite you to click the link below to actually take this for a test drive. There's a free, you get a free AI. I can send you that. But if you want to check out Live Good or Legacy Builder, you can opt into my funnel, and I'll send you a welcome email with links to those bots where you can actually go ahead and click on them and actually experience what it's like, right, to have this bot out there working for you 24/7. And if you want to actually buy the bot, you can actually buy it within the bot itself. It actually sells to you, it actually presents to you both Legacy and the bot itself. It's extremely, extremely powerful. So what that means for you is you can still focus on building your business and actually activate an additional income stream, because the bot does the selling and telling. Now, I encourage you to respond to my email. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.